Study hard for your good future. All these things that we all love and happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ma'am Julie. Our next candle giver is no other than Miss Charmaine Cantolen.
Mamaya na sa lunch. Initan si Angelo.
Yeah, thank you so much, Charmaine, for your wish. At this time, let's welcome our next candle. We have Miss Ivy Joy, SLDK.
Init.
Happy birthday, Lord. I wish your birthday cake as sweet as you. Your innocent eyes remind me of the little girl I knew. Look at me now, how quick time flew. All
Yes, po.
memories of our time together with us. I
Ganit.
shall cherish them all always in my heart. Happy birthday, Lord, as you are dearest to me. May our friendship grow like growing in the water, saying there.
Hindi siya pwede ma-edit.
Always remember the verse, Isaiah 58:11.
Ganit.
The Lord will
Sige
guide
lang.
you always. He will satisfy your needs in his hard-scored land, and he will strengthen your faith.
Pangita lang sa
You
angle.
will like a well-watered
Pangita lang sa nice na
like
angle.
a spring whose waters never fail. Once again, Lord,
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Ivy Joy, SLDK. Next, our next candle is no other than Miss Ronaldie Alcoran.
Hi friends, wishing you a spectacular and birthday. May your celebration be filled with laughter, amazing memories, and the stars of an incredible journey into adulthood. Cheers to a fantastic day and an even brighter future ahead. Turning 18 means you're officially old enough to act like an adult but young enough to still get away with being a kid. So go ahead and enjoy the best of both worlds.
Thank you so much, Miss Ronaldie. Let's welcome our next candle, Miss Janella K. Rombel.
Happy birthday, Jen. I'm so glad and thankful sa friendship na. Alright, limited. Salamat kay White Pagubad ang closeness na Tapos, thank you kay sa mga friend ko nga pachikahan ko sa mga pagkita ko sa live. Tapos, I pray na maging successful sa Sunday at pagod na ang mga goals na. I wish you long life magit kay para mamunit pa ba sa fish pa ni Joshua. Magkamis na ako sa balay. Pinapakit na maabot mo ang goals mo kay make your mama proud. Kay, wala sa ito na nagkari. Ako na to, happy birthday. Love you.
Wow, way back from elementary. Iba talagang closeness. Thank you, Miss Janelle. Okay. Our next candle giver is Miss Erica Saga.
Wala daw.
Let's move on to our next candle giver, Miss Janet Vermeil.
Wala? Wala daw.
Okay, let's welcome. Next, we have Miss Zyril Gonzaga. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Ano na? Magpinsan talaga sila.
Hi, Ka. I just want to congratulate you on your debut. And may this new chapter in your life be filled with joy, success, and unforgettable moments. Cheers to a fantastic journey ahead. Love you.
Wow, thank you so much, Miss Zyril. No? So, nasa lahi po talaga yung pagiging mabiyas. No, ibig sabihin ng mabiyas, matataas ang biyas. Wow. Di ba, Maribel? Okay, and next candle giver we have Miss Russell Candolada.
Hi guys. Simulan mo. Dati wala ko yung kita. Pero dahil ang birthday, wish you all the best. Stay humble all the time. Kung sa maning naabot karon, mga achievements ni karon, manayo na. Iwala lang sa iyong kawalingon ng ways. Good God, listener of your life. May God bless you and guide you. With me, I will always be your trusted best friend. Once again, happy birthday.
Wow, ang natin yung trusted best friend ng ating Teresa. Okay, so that's